Gingerbread spice mix is easy to make at home and adds amazing flavor to holiday cookies and cakes. This spice mix will also make great gifts during the holidays for anyone that loves to bake. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, a half teaspoon of ground allspice, and a half teaspoon of ground nutmeg. This is optional, but you can also add a half teaspoon of ground cardamom. Add all of the ground spices to a small bowl. Adding the ground cardamom will resemble a traditional German gingerbread spice mix. Stir the ground spices together until they are fully mixed and any clumps of ground spices are broken up. Adding this spice mix to cute jars makes perfect and easy gifts, especially for any bakers. Check out other homemade spices in the link above or in the video description below. Use a piece of paper or a funnel and add the spice mixture to a clean, dry spice jar. And store this spice jar in a cool, dry place. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.